welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. Holy moly, it's been a hot minute since I said that. And geez Louise, look at me. I feel like I've aged about 42 years since last we spoke. How have you been? You been well? I've missed you. You been alright? Oh yeah? Right? Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Anyway, so what I wanted to say was... Hello everybody, my name is Dean Mowbray from Scenescapeshop and you may have seen me in my YouTube channel where every Thursday we do a Coffee Break Thursday painting and together we paint a different image every week. Trails and trees are a big part of my painting. My core theme in my art is escapism, and images of trails, trees and nature throughout the seasons in general play a huge role in that. Even though I've only been painting a few years, in that time I've painted well over 300 images and I'd like to share how you can paint such images very, very easily. I was recently included in an Art in Solitude virtual exhibition. It was a great way of meeting other artists, and from that and being involved in a lot of Facebook art groups, I've had lots of questions about how to paint landscapes and how to do it more easily, which I'm more than happy to share. In this course, you will learn my favourite techniques, tips and approach to help you get started in painting colourful and characterised seasonal landscapes with oil paint. We'll be covering topics like composition, palette knife and paintbrush techniques, layering and detailing, black canvases, utilising liquid clear, liquid black and liquid white, painting using gesso, paint mixing, creating depth, perspective and impact, and most importantly, working wet on wet. We will explore how to paint landscapes involving beautiful trails and trees in different seasons and complete 5 different landscape paintings. As always, I have filled this class with my personal casual approach to painting so that you feel no pressure or frustration and learn to fall in love with your practice so that your workspace is filled with lots of beautiful pieces of artwork that you can frame, turn into prints, gift, and even sell to make a happy buck for yourself. This class is designed for someone looking to get started with oil painting trees, trails, and seasonal landscapes, and who is looking for more instruction and opportunity to paint and practice painting. If you've ever struggled with painting landscapes conveying different seasons, if your frustration stops your creative power in its tracks, or if you just want some help and guidance, then this course is for you. Unlimited access to 12 modules over 6 hours of painting instruction, an Oil Paint Made Simple Facebook community where you can share your work, ask questions, and be part of a warm and welcoming community of students. Let's go! Hello everybody, good to see you once again. Today I thought we'd do a nice autumn picture. So that's why the last few weeks I've been a little busy with them, doing over 12 hours of content, 24 modules I've been filming. So that's why the last few weeks have just been voiceovers and time-lapse versions of videos and stuff. Still wanted to make sure that you had a nice cup of coffee, but I didn't quite have time to film and paint separate pictures and stuff. So that's why that was. Everything's now handed in. It's away and it's done and it's ready to be rolled out back to normal from next week onwards. But I just wanted to say for this little portion of the video before I go that I have an announcement to make, a challenge to set. You might have seen before that we have had an art off in the past with one Josh Kirkham, who is owner of Happy Little Landscapes. Beautiful art he does. He does all kinds of great designs and things for his art. He goes live every Sunday with his stuff. He has drunken video tutorials. It's amazing. He's great. And I've also come across a lovely lady called Faye Fletcher. Paint with Faye is her YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to her, show some love. She's an artist based in Florida. She's a Bob Ross certified instructor. And when she does her classes, I am the most chilled out I've ever been in my life. I could listen to her talk for hours. She's like, hey there, I'm Faye Fletcher. Not like my accent, of course, which, charming as it is, could stop a bus. I'm going to challenge them both to our next start off. I like them both. They're both good people. They both deserve your subscription and your support and love on YouTube and Facebook and all that jazz. So I thought I'd have an art off with them. Pick a fight, like us Geordies do. We see someone that's as good as or better than us, we pick a fight with them. Challenge in the past has been things like Space Mountains or Stranger Things. I thought for this challenge, for this art off, with it being a triple threat, I thought it would make it something special. My wife, Danielle, is a published poet, and her handle on Instagram is Writers of the Lost Art. Isn't that a wonderful title? Go ahead and show her some love. Not too much though, because I'm her husband. Pick a fight with you as well. Get up, get up. And she's written a poem, wrote a poem. She's good with words, I'm not. I do the painting, she does the writing. She's written a poem, she's wrote a poem, she wrote a poem, she read a poem, she read it. She typed a poem up. This challenge will involve the artist interpreting the poem and picking a line, 2 lines, or the whole poem itself to create an image of their choice. Isn't that wonderful? Creative juices flowing. If you're one of Josh's thousands of fans, if you're one of Faye's thousands of fans, and if you're one of my fans, then hiya, ma'am. Who needs fans anyway? Then tune in to one of their videos, one of their channels, or all of our channels, gosh darn it, and subscribe to us, and we'll show you the results of what we painted based on the poem for the art off and reveal the winner. We'll be doing this on the last Thursday of the month, so each of us have plenty of time to prepare our pictures. Art off, baby. England versus the USA. I'm outnumbered, but I'm never outgunned. I asked Josh for a direct quote, and he said, hey guys, it's Josh from Happy, and I put the phone down. It costs a lot to call America. And then I asked Faye for a direct quote, and she said, I ain't scared. And I thought, that's lovely. You will be. Ordinarily at this stage I would say, but now it's time to put your feet up, sit back, relax and enjoy, but you've already seen the video. But you can still probably put your feet up, sit back, relax and enjoy, and then rewind the video, watch it over again. In which case, hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop. I'm just kidding. See you next week.